Good afternoon, gentlemen of the press. This afternoon, the Braced Commission Governors Council concluded its meeting in Benin City, and I have the singular pleasure and honor to have hosted this afternoon my brother governors from the other Braced states. For those of you who may not know, the Braced Commission is an acronym for the 6 states of the South-South region of Nigeria, specifically Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross Rivers, Edo, and Delta. In that order forms the Braced states. And accompanied by members of by commissioners of budget and planning from their various states and the Secretariat of the Braced Commission, we resolved in a meeting today the following. The meeting began with the election of myself, Godwin Obaseki, Governor of Edo State, as the new chairman of the Braced Commission Governors Council. I welcome my colleagues to Benin City and observed that the meeting was the first in the new dispensation. I congratulated the governors elected in March 2023 and also His Excellency Senator Doye Diri of Bayelsa State, who was re-elected in November 2023 for the second term. This meeting is being held at a critical time in the history of our country as we face very serious and enormous challenges. It is against this background that the South-South region must redefine its place and role in the economic development of Nigeria and for the benefits of our people. The Director General of our commission made a presentation to the Braced Commission, briefing us on the story so far since the commission came into inception, and informed us of the work which has been done by the Commission in the areas of agriculture, education, environment, power, and sports. On the various contributions from members, the Council members spoke of the compelling need to collectively accelerate the development of the states and affirmed their support for the imperatives of the South-South economic cooperation and integration as a practical step towards the creation of a zone of economic development. Arising from these, we expressed our determination and commitment to drive the process for cooperation and integration in the zone and pledged to address the challenges faced by the Braced Commission. Accordingly, Council resolved as follows. 1. To foster regional economic cooperation and integration with a view to achieving sustainable development through the development of a strong regional economy for the collective benefit of the people of the South-South and invigorate the process of regional economic cooperation and integration. 2, to establish and inaugurate the Braced Business Council. This council should endeavor to forge a closer partnership with the Business Council and utilize it to provide and improve the business and climate to attract investors and businesses into the region. 3, to collectively engage the federal government on the development of key infrastructure in the region, particularly roads, rail development, and the decentralization and rehabilitation of seaports in the region, as well as the management of security in the country at large. 4, to engage the NDDC to ensure that its activities benefit the braced states. 5, to direct the Commissioners of Environment and Attorney Generals of the states to meet and get meet on climate issues affecting the states, particularly mangrove swamps. 6, to forge a closer and cordial relationship with other regions for the creation of economic corridor that will immensely be beneficial to all these regions. 7, to pledge our commitment to work with the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to improve the standard of living of the people of the South-South region of Nigeria. The governors commit to work with and support each other for the purpose of improving the well-being and welfare of the people of the South-South. And finally, we directed the Director General to take steps to implement all the decisions that we took today and report back to the Council before its next meeting in March 2024 in Bayelsa State. Thank you.